Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. If you're new to this cryptocurrency world or you're already an OG, you must understand that it is very important to safely store your coins and tokens. You see, if you own multiple coins, you will have to install an app for each type of cryptocurrency. For example, to manage your Bitcoin wallet, you need to install the official Bitcoin app and so on. The Trust Wallet solves all of these problems. The wallet is available for iOS devices as well as for the Android phones. You can also download the APK, which is an installation file for the Android phone in case your phone does not come with the Play Store pre-installed. You can use this wallet to store Ethereum, your ERC20 tokens, like the Binance coin. You can also use it to store your Bitcoin, Dash, Tron, Litecoin, VeChain, and so on. This wallet is directly endorsed by Binance, which is the world's most popular cryptocurrency exchange. So how to download and install the Trust Wallet on your phone? First, go to trustwallet.com and then follow the links to the App Store from there. This step is very important because there may be knockoff or fake apps out there which are made to steal your funds. So make sure you download the official app from the trustwallet.com. Now we'll be creating a fresh wallet. Click on the blue button that says create a new wallet. It will now ask you to back up your wallet. This step is very important because if you do not back up your seed or the private key, you can lose your funds. Make sure you copy the recovery phase and you write it down somewhere. Do not share this recovery phase with anyone. Okay, so now I'll be demonstrating how to send and receive cryptocurrency on your Trust Wallet. This is the main screen of the Trust Wallet. Click on the receive button to see your receiving Ethereum or ERC20 token address. So here you can send your Ethereum or any ERC20 token. So I'll be sending half Ethereum from my other device to this device. I'll be scanning its QR code from my other phone. So there you go, I've received half Ethereum. Now I'll be sending back this Ethereum to the device. So to send back this Ethereum, I'll click on send and give the app necessary permissions to use the camera. Then I'll scan the QR code of my other device and I'll send back the Ethereum. You can browse various DApps as well within the Trust Wallet. So what is a DApp? DApp is basically an application that is running on the blockchain. So you can use them in the Trust Wallet itself. As you can see, there are many compatible dApps out there. There are useful utilities, there are exchanges, and there are games as well. So I'll be using the Kava Network DApp to exchange some Ethereum to buy some Kava Network crystal tokens, KNC tokens. So I'll input 1 Ethereum just to get an idea on how many KNC tokens I'll get. As you can see, I'll get around 900 tokens with 1 Ethereum. So if you want to swap your Ethereum for KNC token, you just click on swap and it will take away 1 Ethereum from your wallet and exchange it with 900 something KNC tokens. It's easy as that. So that is how you set up and use Trust Wallet on your phone. If you like this video, give us a like and share with your friends. Also say subscribe for more cryptocurrency and ICO news. Bye bye.